Yo, bruh. Feeling like Beyonce in this wig, yo.
I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. Catch my fire, my cotton fresh. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a take, make a take, make a take, make a.
Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Today I will be unboxing a synthetic lace front wig from ReadyWig. So this is the box that it comes in, and this is the first thing you see when you open it. A card with hair care instructions and their info on the back. Their website is readywig.com. And you get a wig cap and a spray bottle. And this is the wig that I got. It's dark blonde wavy, 24 inches. It's like ombre with black on the top. And it is synthetic. So we're gonna try it out and see if I can slay this synthetic wig. Alright, so I just did my hair in these two braids to start. They're just kind of two messy braids, nothing special. Okay, so this is how it comes. Tissue inside. It just has this net over it. It's dark blonde, wavy, 24 inches. The hair feels really soft. It's not tangled. And this is the lace. It has the lace in the front. This is how the hairline looks. And inside, it has a comb and some adjustable straps. Looks like there's two caps in the same pack. I never had a wig cap before. I'm probably not going to do all that special stuff with the glue though. First, I'm just going to show you what it looks like straight out the package though, before doing anything to it. Oh, it actually has 3 combs. Yeah, it actually has 3 combs. Oh, and then this is the space, the parting space. Oh, yeah, I didn't show you the part either. This is what the part looks like. It's about like that. It's not really that far. Probably see if I can pluck it a little bit, but first I'm just going to show you how it looks right out the package. Okay, so this is how it looks on. I didn't do anything to it yet. I just put it on. I tightened the straps a little bit, but I have a small head. And this is how long it is. I don't know, I might just pluck the part a little bit. I don't know if I should keep the part in the middle or would it look better. You could do like a side part. Maybe something slightly to the side. The hair is really thick, so I kind of think it would look better if I thin it out a little bit. Trim it. Thin it out a little bit. I'm not going to do too much plucking because I just want to like do enough to kind of, you know, make it look good for now, but not really. So right now I'm just going to pluck around some of the part area and around like the top of the head. So I'm just going to do that for now because... Okay, so this is what the part looks like. I tried to get it to look a little bit more natural. I think that looks better. I may add some powder to it a little bit, but alright, so I think I'm just gonna cut the lace off and then I'm gonna like thin it down a little bit. I didn't really pluck around the edges much right now. I'm just gonna like, I'll just do some baby hairs, but I probably won't really have the edges exposed at the moment, but yeah. I'm just gonna try to layer it and do it like, put the top up so I can do the bottom first. Just thinning it out a bit. Just doing some like small cuts like that. This is just some water. Help comb and excess hair out. All the loose hairs. And trim it a little bit more, maybe a little bit more on the top areas. Now I'm going to do some pieces up near the top to kind of flatten it down to make the top thinner. Alright, so that's about all the trimming I'm gonna do. And then I might put some powder in the part. Doesn't look too bad, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna cut some baby hairs. Oh, and this is all the hair that I cut off. This wig is pretty thick, pretty dense. So I just parted some thin hairs out that I'm gonna do baby hairs with. I don't have any of that got to be glue stuff, so I'll probably just be using some eco style gel. I hope that I can get it to stay good enough for now. I mean, I'm not trying to glue the wig down to my forehead, but at least just trying to get the baby hairs to lay. Alright, so I'm just going to take some powder like that to do in the part. Alright, so I got some powder in the part, so I think that looks more natural. So it's not laid down with like glue or anything, it's just I got a little bit of gel for baby hairs. And this is like my real sideburns right here. But like this piece is coming up a little bit. But you know, of course, you can use some, you know, glue, got to be glue gel or whatever to really lay it down. You could do that wig cap method or whatever, you know, whatever, you know, you can still do the same stuff you can do pretty much with the human hair wig to like really lay it down, you know, or go through and pluck some more of the hairline and all that. But this is just what I'm going to do for now. I think this still looks pretty decent. Yeah, I'm just going to do this. Try to do some light little baby hairs. But I think it still looks more natural compared to how it was. It's not like super thick. And then I'm just going to take the flat iron because you can't use heat on it. I kind of just want to straighten it out just a little bit. So I'm just going to go through. I kind of actually would like it to be like just like wavy. Like these are like big loose curls, but I would actually like, you know, like waves, like more like a crimpy, like smaller waves. They did have some wigs on there that's kind of like that, but I just like this color. But I thought that I could probably like make it wavy like that, maybe with a wave iron or braid it. You know, something. You could probably do that with this wig. That's how this side looks compared to this side. I don't know, I just feel like it, I don't know. Like I like, you know, a little bit of waves in there, but I just feel like it looks better to just straighten them out just a little bit. And it might look a little bit more natural. Anyways, so this still looks pretty good though. Alright, so I think that's about it. So this is how it looks. So yeah, you can use the got2b glue if you want. I just use some gel right now just to lay down edges a little bit, but you know, you can finesse the hairline some more and all that, and you know, this will do for now. So yeah, I think this wig is somewhere around $30 to $40 on the site. I have a coupon code, so check the description. It's SeanaSparkle. But yeah, check the description, check out all the info. All the info about this wig will be in the description, and all the links to their site, to ReadyWig for their site. So let me know if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and make sure you subscribe. We're almost to 10K, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. Peace. Yo, bruh. Feeling like Beyonce in this wig, yo. I came to slay. Slay.